tini sung atisa je mo thaw tong mane student organization IPF tini kaisa allied organization banner tolaw tong mane sung tini hai salo sung sabai rekha sinoro buskango joto central committee member tong working president SGS dai committee central committee thanayo sung committee hoite sung kaisa meeting klai kaisa ni student organization hoite central committee meeting executive committee was decision alaika joto entire 21 divisions dai central committee joto existence tongnai ro aro sidanto nalaika sung buskang ni movement tai Tipraland no bahke tumlani ba greater Tipraland no bahke acquire khainani abono toine sung alochona khlaimani bisingo sung abono nukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingtei sung abo sobomona tongo aboni bagainai sung tini ni simi sung additional result painai sabai sung gotan motha ba Tripura motha sung join sinai tai kebang motha rongno ba angko pobungna musungo cikon tongnai rongno sung under bobagrani bising tike sung thansani bising tike maidomo sung agirogo sung saimalia baksa borok bujilia umi tongmano aborongno taisa wansugine sung greater thansani bagai greater interest di prasani bagai joton abogoi paike saw abono ani musungno tabo abo simia tini thinang ni chini bobishot no sung nasi thangkangkai sung kunu jaga tipano sung poton hojangnani motok grei chini bobagrano kare bobagrangka kaisa hani bobagra kaisa thinang ni bagai chini Tripura ni bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khlai kyang kase mungsa kaisa sung mane abono sung bisas khainai sung adisaro agu pai tene o salo sung IPF de Tripura mo thani sung join khaipai asung
acha nokto
already sung chini meeting of decision naka IPF tini bisingo bo sung saklaijak tongo chini bisingo kok tongo abono no sung salainai sung sidanto khlainai sung phaike.
So you said you are joining.
That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the IPFT worked tirelessly for the liberation of Tripura for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by IPFT. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the Tripura in where or in which place we to settle. On that occasion, we observe, that is a curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest. For any upliftment of our Tripura, we need the movement that need to secure so early. So IPFT can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay, or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just left them.
So your comment has Tripura.
Now, of course, that every one of the Tripura people they know this. The IPFT demand has becoming declining day by day, and due to that we compelled to join to another organization, so that we need to upgrade more movement for the betterment of the Tripura and for the liberation of greater Tripura or greater Tripura as well.
How are you looking forward to work with Tripura?
Pardon?
How are you looking forward to work with your team with Tripura now?
I hope so, under the banner of the Bobagra, we hope so there will be a unique and there will be a sensational in viewpoint in further in future also. And we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity. কোনো orang aro student na tona organization da to aga yuto da tona abo sungkuno saimia ko sini ideology sini boba grano all round sung surrender khaja je jago sungo bo tamu khlaina ni busum abno no gubon thani ya pare nai bo yuto da roho bo student organization da roho tobo kai sung kaisa kuno kaisa committee khaipa no sung kaisa greater movement no thangani basini je target to sung thangani bagane sing abno no hori sing join ko
asta kai so mana ne kuno somo mana pre amai do one chok na omai one chok to tin bo agran khanto
tini IPFT joto borong no saibano sungna sumu sumani fox IPFT no nasiki joto borong no phaika khansa ya ba khansa ne boro sung bobagra response phaika joto borong no assemble phaika ya ba IPFT durbagyo ungai khansa himalaya aro sunglai no kha udrum kha mo BJP bai tongai sung Tipraland manaida abo sini kha confusion kha ngakai judi no sung sarkaro tongai judi no ma ke tongna ngakai sini demand no sung sukumai rohmani no sako ngakai jehetu sini habu bagra tongo bo nije agi bo od demand no hamse ge tabu a demand joto Tiprasa rong nasikine bo abuno rise klake Tiprasa hampai ne bagai nai ka sung abuno nasikine bini bising tike sung join klake ngaka bono klaimana na haimao sukine sung bo join ke
IPF to mai sang juri khai to ka thinanga IPF to tona bo hai wan chomoni
abo bong ne mepa IPF party ne abo sung saya yo ko borong ne ideology boro galada boro wan sunai boro strategy boro na party